everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are here today in my office, not outside with Beyonce, not riding, which is kind of weird because this is not normal for me to just sit in front of the camera and talk to, but so here I am. But I wanted to show you guys something that I got in today that I've been kind of back and forth on, but I think it's cool because, like I said, it's my first one in quite a while, and so back and forth on this, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Feels really nice in here. Again, I haven't tried it on yet. I'm about to here in just a sec, but see, I don't even know how to work this. You're gonna see me fail here for a little bit. Oh, there he goes. That's pretty easy. But let's check out the actual visor. But that helmet feels really light. It feels really light compared to my HJC that is sitting up there. So we'll do it'll be off camera, but I can tell you right now it's really light. I can tell the difference. Smoke. Let's smoke. Push that forward, releases this lever right here. This little lever right here. Pull that forward, it releases. Same thing on the other side. Pull it forward and it releases. Pull it forward and it releases. All right. Same thing, basically just essentially like the HJC stuff. All the helmets these days, they make it pretty easy to put these things on now. So line it up, clip it, supposedly. Let me just line it up correctly here. If I can just line it up correctly. Okay, maybe I don't know what I'm doing. This live, unedited. Well, I wouldn't say unedited, but seriously.
2 hours later.
All right, so after struggling with the visor as hard as I did, that was unexpected. I got it on. Here's the smoke. Here's the smoke visor. Everything functions correctly. It comes and latches, snaps in place. The EXO-R1 from Scorpion, EXO-R1. There's that, EXO-R1. I believe the R1 is on the back too. Yep, the R1's tagged there in the back. I have this in a large. It is much lighter than my HJC CL17 that I have, that you guys see on the channel all the time. But I haven't mounted any of my GoPro stuff. I haven't done any of these. I haven't taken it out. I'm gonna have to take it out and wire all of my stuff in there. But yeah, that is the new helmet that I have for riding now. So you guys who are subscribers to my channel, or whoever watches my channel, that will be my new helmet going forward. I will wear the HJC every now and then, but for the most part I will be wearing the new R1. So appreciate you guys staying and just kind of going through this review with me, and we'll see you guys here on the next one. See ya.